In this video, I'll show you how to restore the classic right-click context menu in Windows 11 for a familiar experience. Launch the Run window by pressing the Win plus R keys together. Type in regedit and hit the Enter key. In the Registry Editor navigation URL, copy and paste the following URL and then hit the Enter key. HK current user own software o classes o CLSID. Now, right-click on the folder CLSID, click on the New option, and then click on Key option. As next, right-click on the newly created key, and then click on the option named Rename. Give the new name of the key as after renaming, your folder should look like in the following screenshot. Now, right-click on the newly created key, click on the New option, and then click on the Key option once again. Press on the newly created key, and then press the F2 button to rename it. Give the new name as Inproc Server 32. In the right window pane, double-click on the value Default. Note, you can also see that the data field for the default value is set as Value Not Set. In the Edit String window, leave the value data field as empty and then click on the OK button. You will be able to see that the data field of the default value is now set to empty as shown in the screenshot below. You now need to reboot your machine. When the machine restarts, right-click on any file, and you can see that your classic Windows context menu is restored. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.